everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. Today we're making this perfect homemade pizza dough. It takes just a few ingredients to make your own pizza right at home with your favorite toppings. So let's see how it's all done. Transfer 4 cups of flour to a large mixing bowl and make a well in the middle. Add 10 grams of instant yeast, 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, half a tablespoon of salt, and 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Gradually add 400 milliliters of warm water and start kneading. You can use 20 grams of fresh yeast instead of instant yeast. When the dough comes together, cover with plastic wrap and let it rise for about 30 minutes. Transfer the dough to a lightly floured work surface. Knead it around a bit to push the air out. Then form the deflated dough into a ball. Now cut the dough in halves. If you prefer to make a thin and crispy pizza base, you can divide your dough into 3 instead. I personally like to divide my pizza dough into 2 because it gives me a thicker crust, which I love. Roll out each piece of dough working on a lightly floured surface. You can put some flour on your rolling pin or sprinkle some flour on the dough and keep rolling out. You will see that the dough is stretching out easily, so it's pretty easy to roll out. Don't be afraid. Roll the dough to the desired size and shape. I'll use 40 cm diameter pizza pan. You can also use a regular baking sheet with parchment paper or baking stone. Use a fork to poke holes over the center of the dough to prevent any bubbles from forming while it bakes. Bake in a preheated oven to 200 degrees for 10 minutes. Remove from the oven after 10 minutes, then place your favorite toppings on the pizza. Bake the pizza in the 200 degrees oven until the crust is browned and the cheese is golden, about 20 minutes or so. It depends on your setup, so keep an eye on it. If you want, toward the end of the cooking time, you can sprinkle on a little more cheese. Hope you enjoy! If you liked this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and check out the rest of our videos where you can find so many recipes you can easily make at home. Thanks for watching!